Good morning, students. Today I will tell you a story which is very motivating and interesting about a little girl named Helen Keller. Now, come to the teaching learning outcomes. After going through this lesson, you will be able to comprehend, you will learn with attention, you will improve vocabulary, you will learn spelling, you will be able to speak short sentences, and next is respecting life in every form motivating too. So now I am starting the lesson. It was the summer of 1880. A healthy baby girl was born in a small town in Alabama. So the name of the city where she was born is Alabama. Her parents loved her dearly. Dearly means very much. And named her Helen Keller. Helen Keller, they called her Helen Keller. But one day the baby became ill, and day after day her fever stayed high. Everyone in the family tried to help her to get better, but all they could say was, "There is nothing more we can do. The baby may not survive." It means there is very less possibility of her survival. Now come to second stanza. Helen lived, but she was not the same after her illness. Something is very wrong, but her mother said at last they they found out what was wrong. The child could not see or hear. The baby grew into a little girl. Her parents felt sorry for her. Helen often cried and held on to her mother. Give the poor child what she want, her father would say. Her father would say. Now come to next Sanja. Though Helen could not hear or see, but she was a bright little child, means she was very intelligent. Some people thought Helen could not learn anything due to her disability, but her mother did not agree. Helen is very smart, she said, and added, the problem is how can we reach her? She, she is looked up, she is locked up inside herself, means she is not able to express herself. Helen began to grow wild. She would not let anyone comb her hair. Her clothes become very dirty. Come to next lesson. Next page. She was often angry. Sometimes she even lay on the floor and kicked her feet. Means she is not able to express herself, and what are going with her, she is not able to understand. Her parents thought they should find a teacher for her. Miss Sullivan, a young teacher, agreed to help Helen to learn to see the world. Miss Sullivan gave Helen a doll. DOLL spells doll. She spelled the word with her fingers into Helen's hands. She made the letter with special hand sign. As you are seeing in this picture, Miss Sullivan is helping Helen. Helen copied her teacher and spelled doll too, but she did not understand what she was doing. Helen liked Miss Sullivan. She was strict but kind. She spelled a lot of words for Helen on her hand day and night to make Helen understand. Means she do very hard work to teach her. One day her teacher made Helen put her hand into running water. Then she spelled WATER. Suddenly Helen understood that water means something wet running over her hand. She understood that were, words were the most important thing in the world. Now come to next page. She understood that words were the most important thing in the world. Words would tell her everything she wanted to know. In this way, this story came to end, but you will be glad to know that this Helen Keller became a famous writer who wrote several books and became very successful. Now come to the word meaning. So I am, yes. So first come to word meaning and make sentence. First one is dearly. Dearly means very much. Lam loved her mother dearly. Second word is illness. Illness means sickness. Example, Ram is facing serious illness. Next is agreed. Agreed means of the same opinion, like Mahesh agreed on the new project. Next word is important. Important means of a great value. Example, this topic is very important for exam. Now come to the next exercise, question answer. So first question is, something is wrong, said Helen's mother. What was wrong with Helen? The answer is, the children could not see or hear after her illness. Second question, although Helen could not hear or see, what kind of a girl she was? What kind of girl was she? Answer is, although Helen could not hear or see, but she was bright little girl. Next question, who agreed to help Helen? Miss Sullivan, a young teacher, agreed to help Helen. Next question, how did Miss Sullivan help Helen? Miss Sullivan spelled lot of words for Helen day and night to make Helen understand. Next question is, what did Helen learn when the teacher put her hand into running water? Answer is, Helen learned that water means something wet running over her hand. Now come to next. Question number 6. What was the most important thing that Helen finally understood? The answer is, Helen understood that words are the most important thing in the world. Words would tell her everything she wanted to know. Next question, how do people who cannot see read? The answer is, people who cannot see read through braille. Next question, what is the script for children who cannot see code? The answer is braille script. Next question, how do you think you can help children who cannot see? The answer is, I will help him in all the domestic work and during his movement. So come to the match the following. Okay, here there are two columns. You have to join them, and you have to join these two parts and complete the sentence. So I am directly give you the answer. The first one is, Helen lived after her illness, but she could not hear or see. Second one, she could not see or hear, but she was very intelligent. And the third is, people thought that she could not learn anything, but her mother thought that she could learn. Now, fourth one, Helen copied the words, but she did not understand what she was doing. And fifth one, Miss Sullivan was strict, but she was kind to Helen. Now, like Helen, there are many peoples. In this picture, you are seeing many great Indians who never gave up despite their disabilities. One is Sudha Chandan. This artist met with an accident when she was 16, and doctor had to amputate her leg, but she became a famous classical dancer of the country. Now second one is Ravindra Jain, born visually impaired, but he became a notable music director of the 1970s. And third one is Girish Sharma. He lost a leg in a train accident and became a famous badminton champion. Now the next one is Satyendra Singh. Satyendra Singh got polio, but he became a famous doctor. Now, at last, come to the gist of the lesson. Helen Keller is the motivating story. It gives children a sense of joy and participation in the process of developing sensitivity towards others. It gives opportunities to all the children, and and their specific abilities which need to be recognized and appreciated. Now that's all. Thanks for watching.